This is the 2010 Stingray 180RX. This is a fresh trade that we just got in, hull color white. It does have a 3-liter Volvo Penta. It does come with the trailer with no swing tongue. It does have tower speakers. Boat's in pretty decent shape. Stainless steel prop. It does come with a rear ladder as well. Let's hop up inside and take a look at this boat. This does have a roomy bow for an 18-foot boat. You got your walk through the front, so you don't have to step on any cushions. You do have your cooler. Cleat to tie off with up front. Full windshield. You have a small ski locker. Both captain's chairs seem to be in good shape. Here's your dash. You have a nice little CD player. It's Kenwood. Lockable storage. You have your bench in the back, as well as your sun pad. You do have a small rear deck as well. You do have your 3-liter Volvo. And you do have your monster tower with speakers and a tow point. This is the 2010 Stingray 180RX with a 3-liter Volvo Penta.